All right, Power Rangers, it's time to face your doom. Jafar, Raditz, Slade, Phantom, destroy them. Your wish is our command, Darth Vader. Yes, Darth Vader, it would be our pleasure. Let's do it. It's morphin' time. Tiger, Red Cat Ranger, Lion, Blue Cat Ranger, Leopard, Black Cat Ranger, Cheetah, Pink Cat Ranger, Jaguar, Yellow Cat Ranger, Liger, Green Cat Ranger, Tiger, Lion, Leopard, Cheetah, Jaguar, Liger, Power Rangers, Cat Protectors. What a shame. I really am a cat person and I do love cats, but I will find no shame in defeating you. Destroy them. They are too strong, Lord Vader. Slade and Phantom are right. We must retreat. You haven't seen the last of me, cat protectors. Lady Catra, the cats of this world are safe, and so are you. Well done, my cat protectors. You certainly live up to your reputation as Power Rangers. Thank you, Our Lady.